Creating a group on Slack is like setting up your own digital workspace where your team can collaborate, share files, and communicate effectively regardless of where they are in the world. Today, I'll walk you through each step to get your group up and running on Slack. So let's get started. First, launch your web browser and head over to Slack's main page. You can find Slack by searching for AI work management and productivity tools /Slack in your preferred search engine, or simply go to slack.com. Once you're there, the journey to creating your group begins with signing into your account. Look for the Sign In button, usually located at the top right corner of the page, and give it a click. If you've used Google services with Slack before, selecting Sign In with Google is a breeze and streamlines the sign-in process. Choose your Google account from the list that appears to proceed. This step assumes you already have a Slack account associated with your Google email. Otherwise, you may need to go through Slack's account setup process. Next, you'll see a Continue button. Clicking this will grant Slack the permissions it needs to operate with your Google account. It's just a way of telling Google, hey, it's okay, I want Slack to access my information. Once signed in, you might be eager to start typing away and organizing projects. But first, let's get your group set up. Slack often directs you to use their web application for a quick start, so look for the option Use Slack in your browser. This is particularly handy if you're not ready to commit to downloading the application or are working from a shared or temporary computer. The real magic begins when you create your new workspace. Navigate to the lower left corner of your Slack interface. There you'll find a plus icon. A click here opens a new world of possibilities. Among them, click on Channel to start creating your group space. Now let your creativity flow by typing in your desired group name. This could be anything from Marketing Team to Project X Brainstorm. Choose a name that clearly identifies the group's purpose to all members. After naming your group, click on Next. You'll be given options regarding your group's privacy. For a more exclusive conversation, select Private, Only Specific People. This option is perfect when you're handling sensitive information or discussing team-specific topics that don't concern the wider organization. Clicking on Create brings your group to life, but it's a bit quiet, isn't it? Let's add some people. You can invite your team members by entering their name or email into the provided field. Once you've added everyone you need, hit Add. And just like that, you've created a private group on Slack where you and your team can communicate effortlessly. Remember, the key to a successful digital workspace is engagement. Encourage your team to use this space for all relevant discussions, share files, and work together towards your common goals. Setting up a group on Slack not only promotes collaboration, but also ensures that everyone is on the same page, no matter where they are. With your new group now ready, you can dive into the productive world of Slack, making the most of all its features to propel your projects forward. Happy collaborating!